Hello learners, today we will continue chapter number 4, articles and determinants. Today our topic is demonstrative. We use words like this, that, these, those as demonstrative. They are also determinants. This refer to singular nouns that are close by. Okay, this and that. Okay, these are used for singular noun. This is used for that are close by and that are farther away. Okay, that for farther away objects and this for close by. Similar, same as these. These is used before plural noun that are close by. Okay, these for plural noun, this for singular noun, and this singular noun close by and THESE, these plural noun that are close by, and that is before singular noun that are farther away, and those is used to point out a plural noun that are at a distance. Examples: this glass has to be washed. Okay, glass singular noun. Okay, and close by, and THESE, these glasses for plural noun. Okay, that painting, this painting is singular. For painting singular we have to use that, and for paintings plural we have to use those. This and that may be used before uncountable nouns, as this water is clean, that cloud is floating away. Okay, for uncountable noun we have to use this and that. Now exercise question number H. Fill in the blanks with this, that, these or those. First one, dash bouquet is lovely as flowers are fresh. Then what will come? This bouquet. First one is this, THIS, this. Second, as these flowers, THESE, these. Second FIB, these. I was not in favor of selecting those roses at the next shop. Okay, roses plural. For plural we have to use those, because that shopkeeper singular, and for distance we have to use that, because that shopkeeper does not, here that. Okay, that shopkeeper does not bring fresh flowers every day. I am sure my mother will be happy to get this bouquet because she loves flowers, and here this will come. Okay, first one this, second these, third those, fourth one that, and fifth one this. Possessives: my, are, their, your, his, her, and its are possessives. Read the following sentences carefully. Sachin Tendulkar is a great cricketer. His coach starting training him at an early age. He has played against many teams to win trophies for his country. All the players of his team practice regularly and their schedule is well planned. He often tells other players, our victory is possible because we always play as a team. One of his fans once told him, your matches are always watched with great enthusiasm. The word printing in bold letter in your textbook, see in your textbook, his, their, ours and your are possessive because they indicate possession of the noun that follow them. Possessive can be used with both countable and uncountable noun. The car is big. I think its color is too bright. Okay, your books, their schools. Okay, so we can use possessive with countable and uncountable noun also. Now next question, fill in the blanks with possessive. Dash school bus was late, so we waited under a tree. Our school bus. First one, R. O-U-R. Our school bus was late, so we waited under a tree. We kept our bags. We kept our bags under a tree and we played in its shade. What will come? Its its shades. Some monkey were sitting on the trees with their tails hanging. There, T-H-E-I-R, with their tails hanging above our heads. One of the boy pulled a monkey's tail. The monkey slapped his cheek. Here his will come, H-I-S, his cheek, and took away a few of our book. Here O-U-R, our bags. We were frightened and the naughty boy shouted for help at the top of his voice. Last one, his voice. Okay. First FIB. Our school bus was late, so we waited under a tree. We kept our bags under a tree and we played in its shade. Some monkey were sitting on the tree with their tails hanging above our heads. One of the boys pulled a monkey's tail. The monkey slapped his cheek and took away a few of our bags. We were frightened and the naughty boy shouted for help at the top of his voice. Distributive. Distributive, either, neither, each and every are distributive. We use either to indicate any of the two person. You can use either pencils. Okay, either means any of the two. Either calendar can be kept on the table, means any of the two calendar. दोनों में से कोई एक. We also use either to refer to both the things or both the person. There are tall trees on either side. There are tall trees on either side of the street. We use neither to mean just the opposite of either. It means not the one nor the other. Neither team was well prepared for the match. Each is used to indicate things separately one by one. Okay? Each means use the things separately one by one, and you know definite amount, definite quantity also, you know it is limited in group, then we have to use each. And every is used when we refer to things or person as a group. Like each child was in proper uniform. When you can count it, you can use each. Each member of the team was given a prize. Example of every student has got an identity card. Every room has been painted. Every seat was occupied. Each is used to indicate things separately one by one. Every is used when we refer to things or person as a group. Okay. Fill in the blanks with either, neither, each and every. First one, each member of the team was given a prize. What will come? Each member of the team was given a prize. Given an example also. Second one, dash seat was occupied. Then what will come? Dash seat. Here we are indicating about a group. All seats was occupied. Then every. What will come? Every seats were occupied. Second one I am saying every. Third one, dash of the boys from the hostel came for the magic show. Then third one is neither. Neither of the boys from the hostel came for the magic show. Fourth one, you may buy either pencil. You may buy either pencil. Fifth one, neither of the glasses is clean and you will have to wash them. Okay. Then fifth one is neither. Sixth one, both the singers are good. Either of them will finally win. Sixth one is either. E-I-T-H-E-R. Either. Hoarding have been put up on each side of the road. Each. Okay, understand? Next one, quantifiers. Any, some, much, many, several and a lot of are quantifiers. Any and some. These determiners can refer to both quantity and number. Any and some both are used for quantity and for number. Some is used in affirmative and interrogative sentence. Okay, some for affirmative and interrogative, where any is used for negative and interrogative. Some for affirmative and interrogative, any is for negative and interrogative. Okay, example, some children have come to meet you. Do you have some money? Okay, for positive and interrogative, whereas any is used for negative and interrogative. Like example, there is not any milk left in the pan. Don't you have any? Okay, for negative we have to use any, and for positive sentence some. Sometimes any is used to indicate that it does not matter which one or who. Like we are saying na, कोई भी, किसी कोई भी ले लो. I will wear any dress in the evening. Read the given sentences carefully. Many buses ply on this road. She had to face a lot of problem at a young age. Some vendors have started selling goods near my house. I don't take much interest in TV serials. The underlined words are quantifiers as they indicate something about numbers or quantity. Now here, few, a few, the few, little, a little, the little. Here difference between few, a few and the few, and little, a little and the little. Okay, few is used in negative sense and with countable nouns, whereas little is used in a negative sense and means not much. Okay, hardly anything. Now read difference between them when we have to use them. Few is used in a negative sense. Okay, like example, few person were invited. Okay, few means almost none, hardly any. Okay, few persons were invited, here negative sense. Okay, hardly any. A few means some, though not many but some, in positive sense. Okay, I have a few books on this topic. A few means some, small number, and few means none, almost none. The few means all of them. मेरे पास जितना था वो सब. Okay, though very few in number. Example, I have read the few books that you gave me. Little, a little, the little. Little is used in negative sense and means not much, hardly anything. Okay, few is plural. Okay, few for number of things, countable, and little with singular and uncountable. Little used with quantity, uncountable. Few, a few, the few, these are used with plural, numbers and countable noun. And little, a little, the little, these are used with singular, they identify the quantity and uncountable noun. Okay, much and many. See examples, little, a little, the little. Little means, little is used in negative sense and means not much, hardly anything. Like few also means hardly anything. Okay, but little, few used with countable and little used with uncountable. Knowledge is uncountable. A little is used in positive sense, like a few is used in positive sense, same a little also used in positive sense. There is a little chance of success, but here a few books is countable and a little is little chance uncountable. Okay, means these are used with countable and here these are used with uncountable noun. The few means all of them, though a very few in number, and here the little means not much but all that there is. Example, I spent the little money I earned. Understand? Means few, a few, the few with countable noun you have to use, and little, a little, the little with uncountable noun. Much and many. Much refer to quantity, like little also refer to quantity. Now little and much. Okay, where we have to use little or much. Little is used also with quantity, much also with quantity, but little we are used in negative sense, but much with positive. Example, he has little knowledge on the subject, means hardly nothing. Here the news gave my mother much relief. Okay, many refers to numbers and is used with countable nouns. Many with countable nouns, like few. Few and many. Few is also used with countable noun, many also with countable noun. Refer to a number and is used with countable noun. Many supporters were celebrating the team's victory. Okay, many supporters were celebrating the team victory. Now understand. Now exercise question number K, fill in the blanks with determiners. Since she is an extrovert, she has many friends. First one, many. Second one, there are few buses. There are few buses that ply on that road. I have a little. I have a little. L-I-T-T. I have a little saving to build a house. Our boss is going on a holiday for a few weeks. For a few weeks. Dash project. Dash project was much appreciated. Then the project. There is so much work left to be done. There is so much work. Is there any pen with you? Please pass me some sugar. The visitor parked his car properly. The visitor. The room faces the east. From this window, can you see the rising sun? This. Okay. The girl who came here was the winner in the races. Interrogative, what, which and whose are interrogatives. Determiners which are used to ask question are called interrogative. They can be used before any kind of noun and are words like what, which, whose, how many and how much. Which basket will you carry? Whose bags are lying outside? What books have been distributed? Which vegetable is fresh? Okay. First one, it was so beautiful that I could have stayed in that place forever. First one is that. Second, it was the day. It was the day. Before yesterday when Jenny called me. The coffee is too strong. Please add a little milk. A little. Fourth one, every decision would be taken by the board of directors. Every. Fifth one, he told his friend. He told his friend about the incident. Sixth one is, which pen is yours? Seventh one, dash book lying on the table are not required. Those. Eighth one, the bird is sleeping in dash nest peacefully. The bird is sleeping in its nest. It is possessive pronoun. Okay. Here the bird is sleeping in nest. Next question. Determinants are missing in the following sentence. Use interrogative given in bracket to complete them. First one, dash car is parked at the gate. Then whose car? What will come? Whose car is parked at the gate? Which bag is not packed? Which pickle is really hot? Which? Whose gifts have been bought? Fifth one, dash pencil box is lost. Then what will come? Whose pencil box is lost? Sixth one, how much milk is required for the curd? How much milk? Dog is not vaccinated. Then which dog? Dash sugar is left in the jar. How much? Okay, for uncountable much. Dash are your plans for the day. What are your plans for the day? Dash milk. For uncountable we have to use how much. Okay, understand? Thank you.